Push a P. Yeah, push a P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
What's going on, guys? Mo of Auto Addict USA. Hope you're having a great day today, and I kid you guys not, day 2 of this car officially being dropped off, and we're already hands-on, ready to rock and roll. Today is the disassembling part of making this whole car carbon fiber. Yes, it will be in Sema 2023 in Auto Addict's booth. We're actually doing 2, not just 1. We're doing 2 pro-charged 700 horsepower full carbon fiber bumper-to-bumper projects to be promoted in Sema of 2023. After they're done with Sema, we're gonna bring them back to our headquarters in California, Anaheim, and also do a post Cars and Coffee SEMA celebration of showing these beautiful masterpieces that we're working on. Now, let's go over the details, show you what we're gonna do, what are the first steps to make these projects happen, and what to do to making a full carbon fiber C8. Let's get started. All right, so we definitely gotta put in some after hours. It's almost 10 o'clock here at night. The only way to make this happen is we gotta grind. It's SEMA crunch for us, even though SEMA's about 4 to 5 months from now. So we're doing this a little bit earlier for a lot of good reasons, to make sure we're delivering a perfect carbon fiber bumper to bumper conversion for this beautiful car. It's gonna be wider, aggressive, a lot of customization. We're gonna also bag it, get some wheels, custom wheels from Barada, and as well do the carbon fiber kit that we're gonna offer. The first thing we're gonna do, we gotta jack up the car on all 4 sides, take off the wheels so we have all the space to play around the wheel weld and the fenders. And after that, we'll go ahead and get started.
No question. Too rich to fix, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P of the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. Push a P, 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 push a P.
Soldier boy, tough. Yeah, I got the new dance for y'all called Soldier boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman? Now why me crank that soldier? 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 Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing out. I'm jocking on it. We get the right, then I'm cocking on. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. I got me some baby, baby. Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman? Haters wanna beat me, soldier boy, I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's no one. Bang, bang, bang. Why me do? Bang, bang. They get to it. They do it like me. Don't do it like me. I still try to do it like me. Man, that soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman? Why me crank that soldier? Why me crank that soldier? Why me crank that soldier? Why me 2